What is going on, YouTube? Told you we'd be back super quick, even though I know Shreese isn't here. I got some stuff, some AirPods Pro, and you know, I kind of felt like it would be a disservice just to open these up without the camera. So let's jump into it. All right, so this is gonna be like a weird video because I don't have the second camera. So Shreese went out to a pumpkin patch with the boys and took the other A7 III, so we have to thug it out. No table, no nothing, just gonna get right into it. So obviously if you look around the back, AirPods Pro wireless charging case should be standard issued. Make sure you have 13.2, but let's dive in. So pretty straightforward. Normally I would open up things a lot neater, but for you guys, let's just go for it. You got your standard instructions, maybe an Apple sticker, AirPods Pro, a bunch of information about iPhone and iOS, turn on Bluetooth. No one needs any of that. Well, I mean, I guess some of this, but where's the action? These guys is what it's all about. They look very similar in size. You get my original AirPods, get them out the case, pop these boys out. Oh, totally forgot they're in my ear. Let me go new school. No more AirPods. Yeah, so if you look, they're about a little bit taller, obviously wider, but still should fit in your pocket without a problem. Let's get into it. Take this off. Oh, I totally forgot. There's by default some extra ear things, some extra silicone tips if those don't fit, and as expected, USB-C to lightning cable. I don't even know what size this is. Let's figure it out. They have a little fancy case to open that up. So they give you medium, small, and large are included in case you need those. And yeah, let's go ahead and get my phone, throw it in DND. You know, people be texting and stuff. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this without two cameras, but let's give it a try. Ignore the fact that I'm a hoarder of applications. There's that guy. There's this guy. AirPods Pro. Let's see if I can connect. Oh, that's fancy. Media control, press one or either AirPod to play pause, twice to skip forward, 3 times to skip back, press and hold on either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. Control center, looks like it's got like a little walkthrough on how to use all the features. And you got more for me? Oh, done. 85%, 77 charge. Let's go ahead and throw these in. Let's see if they fit. We're in. Let's go done here. Let's go check out some settings. Maybe I can check out some settings with you guys. We'll go down Bluetooth, AirPod Pro. We'll rename those because I like to be referred to as CJ. CJ's Air. Wow. Just don't take my update. CJ's AirPod Pros. You got some noise cancellation settings. Left noise control, right noise control. Do you have any other options? So keep in mind that you can cycle between noise controller Siri, and then you have the option to use the left or right AirPod as a toggle, or you can just have it to turn it off or on. So maybe you want to do left AirPod to toggle between noise cancellation and transparency, and then right AirPod, maybe just turn it off. But I actually will say it's kind of quieter already than what I'm normally hearing with nothing playing at all. Let's try the ear tip fit test. That looks fancy. Test the fit of your ear tips for the best acoustic performance. AirPods ear tips should create a complete seal when placed in your ears. Audio quality and noise cancellation. So let's continue. We'll click play. Play. Right's got a good seal, left is saying different. So I wonder if left is recommending bigger or smaller. I'm gonna try it again. And see, I didn't even change the tip. All I did was make sure that they're pushed in to my ears, and they're saying mediums are good for me. So let me play some music and we'll see. What do I like to hear? I can't actually test noise cancellation because I'm home by myself. So yeah, what's a good song? I can immediately tell you they seem louder, like a lot louder. I like dance music and I have no shame in that, so I'm gonna turn it all the way up. All right, I'm doing a review. Our first impressions, I forgot. Yeah, those actually sound good. I'm not an audiophile, I'm an everyday user. And the noise cancellation is working so strong that I almost feel like I can't hear myself talk. I should probably test transparency mode while I'm here. Let's see. Yeah, transparency mode makes everything like the outside world sound less like I'm in a bubble. And if I turn it off, it sounds, I guess, even better. I don't know. I'd have to give it some thought. But let's go put those back in. I don't even know where they go. Okay, there we go. That is the tech couple's first look at the AirPods Pro. I don't know. Apple, I have a low standard, so for me, if they fit better, which AirPods already fit me normally, so it's not really a big deal. If they fit better, if they sounded louder, if noise cancellation worked at all, then I was gonna be satisfied. In case you were looking for a size comparison, we grabbed two right AirPods for you. So can you see that? Let's get some focus. Back it up a little bit. So you see the stem is a decent bit smaller, and I guess I could probably put one in the right ear, one in the left ear. So, old AirPods, new AirPods. Old AirPods, new AirPods. So, did you pick up the new AirPods? Do you have any questions I can answer for you? Drop those down below in the comments. Thanks for watching. Of course, subscribe. That would be cool. Shrieks and I are back in full swing on YouTube. And yeah, more content coming soon. Later.